Have you ever got yourself a cocktail book and wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe in there? Well, my name is the Rusty Bartender, and we're about to embark on a journey to create all 125 cocktails from this fantastic book, Steve the Bartender's Guide to Cocktails. Welcome everybody to episode 2, and this is the Garibaldi cocktail. Let's go make some drinks. So this drink only contains 2 ingredients, and as it says in Steve's book, the key to elevating this drink is technique. So basically 2 things are needed. We need fresh orange juice, and we need to blend the orange juice so it goes nice and fluffy. So as you can see here, here's some orange juice that I freshly squeezed earlier on. This yielded just over 6 ounces, and that was from 5 oranges. So I've got my blender ready. Let's whip this bad boy up. So I've poured this back into the mason jar, and as you can see, it's frothed up nicely. So the 2 ingredients in a Garibaldi are obviously fresh orange juice, and we've frothed it up, and the main man, Campari. And if you watched the last video, I'm asking everybody, do you like Campari or do you not like Campari? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so we're going to start by filling a chilled glass with ice. And then we're going to go in with the main man, Campari. Now you're going to have 45 mils of that, or 1.5 ounces. Then your frothy orange juice. We're going to go in with a full 4 ounces or 60 mils of that. Once your drink's mixed, you go in with a nice fresh slice of orange. And there you go, folks, the Garibaldi. So, there you go, folks, the Garibaldi, another classic aperitivo style drink from Steve the Bartender's Guide to Cocktails. The frothy orange juice really takes this drink to the next level. If you don't like Campari drinks, try this one, especially with the frothy orange. It makes the hell of a difference. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. There's 123 more cocktails from Steve the Bartender's Guide to come. Alright, I'm going to go drink this, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.